Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Basecamp projects with automated check-ins, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Basecamp projects with automated check-ins, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you want to update. Next, go to the check-ins section of your project dashboard. Click on the Add a Check-in button to create a new automated check-in. Enter a clear and concise question or prompt for your team. Set a frequency for the check-in, such as daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Choose the time you want the check-in to be sent out. Specify the team members who should receive this check-in. You can also customize the message that will accompany the check-in. After configuring the settings, review all the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the check-in to activate the automation. Your team members will now receive automated check-ins per the specified schedule. Monitor the responses to ensure everyone is engaged and contributing regularly. If needed, you can edit or disable the check-in at any time. Regularly review the check-in results to assess project progress. Adjust the frequency or questions based on the evolving needs of your project. By following these steps, you can streamline project updates and enhance team communication in Basecamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.